Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Friday, November 26, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational, and I have a cold, so I'm not going to go through this whole intro. Nucypher and Keep is what we're looking at. Nucypher US dollar, looking like we have a line of support over here. Definitely still. I mean, even with the whole Bitcoin, we were all the way up to 89 and came all the way down to 75. Directly off this blue line that we've had here for quite some time. So still continuing to throttle down this line. A lot of macro events going on. Bitcoin really took a nice bleed last night, and we're going to take a look at why in a sec. In the meantime, we do still have support all the way down here at 74 cents should the you-know-what hit the fan. In the meantime, we also have resistance up here around 89. So let's move on straight to Nucypher Bitcoin. Also, a few times trying to make a run, even this morning, even at 9:30 this morning, trying to make a run for higher, trying to get over this line of resistance that we've had out here, 1509. We're 1481 now, 1443 current support, with support below that around 1387. Let's move to Keep US dollar. In the meantime, we can chuck this. We have been violated there, no doubt. Gone. All right, so we did have a line of, so here's Keep US dollar. Here's the support line right down here, 68 cents. Resistance line around 78 cents. Still chugging through here. We almost made a pop here, and then you know what happened last night, and everything kind of came back down again. So we were starting to break through the 78-cent range, went as high around 84. In the meantime, let's go take a look over at the Keep Bitcoin pair. Actually doing pretty well. It's kind of staying over this line that we had drawn. Quick dippy do, like everything else, but came back well, pretty decent, reasonable line of support here. So it's pretty good. We're also still breaking over this 1300 range of support now. So pretty good there. So we'll see how this thing pans out. It looks like we can continue our ride up. Meantime, over to Bitcoin US dollar. We had two areas of support coalescing, which was fine. We started to see Bitcoin rally, hit 59, and then bam, COVID-related incident in Africa, and now suddenly the world is concerned. So as a result of that, the impact is pretty wide, including the equity markets. So crypto markets in general got hit, no question about it. We do have a possibility of another breakdown here if this turns into a downside pennant. And I don't want to really draw it here because it's just going to take too long. But there is a downside looking pennant here. It could, if it breaks over 55,000, it's likely not a pennant, and we could be easily on our way back up. So we're going to monitor this like anything over the next few hours. In the meantime, if you look further out, 48K would be the next stop if it turns into that pennant. So we'll see how that works out. In the meantime, going right over to the Bitcoin dominance, we do have support around 42.24, breaking that. So you would wonder, why is everyone concerned? And I happen to agree. If Bitcoin dominance is down, in general, I think overall the crypto market's fairly healthy. There's not a lot of people running for the streets. In the meantime, we did have that spike. It really went from the low 40s all the way to the low 43s. Sorry, from the low 42s to the low 43s. So 1% move or 100 basis point move in short order, spiking up. So that was an incident of fear there, but it seems to have subsided. So that's where we're at right now. Bitcoin's at 54,400. Nucypher's at 80. Things look okay. I mean, we're still on the downtrend on Nucypher. Got to get out of that. Keep seems to be on more of an uptrend. So, we'll keep you posted on Twitter. Take